Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can dislike reels on Instagram that you have liked. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do: first you have to open up your Instagram app, then you have to go to your profile. So after that you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. So then you have to click on your activity. After that you have to click on likes. So there are all the videos that you have liked on Instagram. So what if you want to delete or dislike these reels on Instagram? So you have to find the reel or find the video that you wanna dislike. Then you have to click on the reels just like this. Then you have to click on this liked button again. If this is liked, you have to click on this again. Then the video is will be disliked just like this. So this is how you can dislike Instagram reels on your mobile phone. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.